Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I organize our wardrobe because it has just arrived a few days ago. It actually took us 2 days to put it together because we just did it when Victor went to bed at night. So on the first night we stayed up until I think midnight and we didn't finish it. We were I think about halfway there, so we decided okay, we're just gonna leave it until the next day. So yeah, it took us 2 days to finish it, but it's all done. So this morning what I want to do is tackle all of my clothes and organize them in the wardrobe, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm so happy with it. We made it on the IKEA website. You can customize them, the PAX wardrobes. So that's what I did, and yeah, I'm just gonna do a tidy up round, and then I'm also going to show you an IKEA haul because we also went into store in IKEA and bought a few random bits. Like decor and things like that, some baskets, some really nice ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that in a second, but I'm gonna start with the wardrobe first. Okay, so here is the pile of clothes. I've also got some in this thingy right here, which I just propped it like this last night because I didn't want to organize it last night. It was just too late. I put the pink pillows in here just because I felt like it was so empty, but I think I might get some different colored ones in the future. But this is the wardrobe. This is what it looks like. So it's a it's got 3 parts. I'm not sure if you can tell because it's mirrored, and it might be a bit confusing, but it's got 3 parts. So this part right here is my husband's, and then I get 2, obviously, because I'm a girl, and I need more. That's what we're working with. So I really love it. We got inserts like this. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. So you can obviously customize it and put whatever you want in there. So I chose baskets. My husband's side is exactly like this one. So I chose 4 baskets like this, a few of these shelf thingies, and then also some hanger bits up there. So that's my side of the wardrobe. I also have a few clothes in there. Excuse the mess. Look at this. This bedroom is a complete disaster right now. And I've also got some clothes in there. So I'm going to move these, I think, into these drawers. My goal is to have all of the clothes in here and then use that for things like my cameras and just kind of work bits that I need to store somewhere. So yeah, we'll see if all fits in here, but that's what I plan to do.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go, 'cause every time I try you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. Where to push or pull, and I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay.
Okay, I've organized most of the things on the hangers. I think that's, yeah, most of the things that need to be hanged. So I have put things that are a bit longer on this side, obviously, because there's a bit more space. So I've got dresses, I've got this cardi jacket thingy, I've got play suits, mostly dresses I think at the moment, because obviously it's still summer. Kind of feels like autumn is nearby, but yeah, I've still got a lot of dresses out. And then in here I've got just tops, shirts. I've got a few cardis because again there's been a bit of a rainy time. I've put a few sweatshirts right here, and then I've got my hat. And I'm organizing these drawers in the Marie Kondo style, so you can see I'm kind of folding them upwards, which I find is so much easier to see what's inside when you're looking for something. So I've put trousers, jeans in here, and then I've put tops like tank tops or long sleeves, just kind of like more plain basic ones in here. And I'm gonna carry on filling these up. I think I might do, if all fits, I'm gonna do tops, bottoms, pajamas, and then underwear or something like that. So I'm gonna see how I get on. Okay, so here is my progress so far. I think it's pretty much everything that I'm going to do today in this side of the wardrobe. So I've put, as I said, long thingies here, then shirts and tops there, and then I put in that box there some things that are very summery, like shorts and like a beach cover up and things that I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear for the rest of the year this year. So when the seasons change, I'm going to put this in storage. So I'm filming this in August, and probably around September time I'm expecting to change the wardrobe, so be on the lookout for that video. I'm probably gonna do, oh, my hair is really frizzy all of a sudden. I'm probably gonna do an update, kind of reorganize my wardrobe, because I'm gonna take out the like autumn winter bits. These are very summery, most of them. Yeah, so when I do that, I'm gonna put this in storage. So this is tops, like t-shirts and long sleeves and anything like that. This is jeans and trousers, and I've also got leggings in here. And then this is underwear, socks, things like that. And then in the bottom one I've got pajamas and kind of loungewear thingies. Yeah, so that's my progress with my wardrobe. I'm really happy with these drawers. I feel like they're really good quality, and they also fit quite a lot in there. Like, I didn't expect all of my jeans and trousers to fit in this, and they fit really well. They're quite sturdy, so I feel like it's probably the best setup that I've had so far. I mean, we'll see how I get on, but so far I'm really happy with it. And then I'm going to put my really thick wintry things, which are over there. I'm gonna put them in these drawers that we have under the bed. So that these are going to, I've already started to fill them with like thick stuff that I don't really wear at the moment, because it's too hot for that. But yeah, soon I'm actually going to do a switch up of all of these.
You want to, please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you.
Okay, so I have cleared the bed and the wardrobe is done. I've also polished with some gloss spray, so it's all nice and clean. Okay, so I'm gonna do a bit of an IKEA haul, as I promised. So these are a few of the things that I bought for the kitchen. So I got 2 of these containers, which are larger ones, and they come with these lids. And then these are shelf thingies to prop them up like this, and then you can put one of these containers on the bottom. Maybe I'm gonna show you how these look in like a kitchen organization type of video, which I might make soon. And I also got 4 of these smaller ones. They're just a bit thinner. I got 2 of these large containers just to kind of store things. I'm gonna put these up in the kitchen as well, in the cupboards. Then one thing that I got and I really love is these 2 baskets right here. So this is what they look like. Like this, and I think it's really nice because it's a bit more aired out for veggies like this. So I've put one for onion, garlic, things like that, and then one for potatoes, and they fit really perfectly in here. Then I got these baskets, which Victor is obviously playing with because he saw me take them out. So it's this one is a bit larger, and then these ones are smaller. So I figured these would be really good to organize either drawers or in the cupboards as well, just for like snackies or random things. I've seen these on Instagram a lot, so I wanted to get a few to organize things. And they are actually napkin holders. So if you look on the IKEA website, that's what they are originally for. But I think they're really good to organize smaller bits in here. So I got 4 of those. Then I got 2 of these baskets. They're quite large. I think they're 50 centimeters long, or 55 or something. I really like the color. It's kind of an ashy brown, I would say. So I got 2 of these to go in here in the TV unit. There we go. So this is what they look like. I love them so much. And I'm gonna try to link everything down below because I can't remember the names of everything. And what I also got is this plant right here. I think it's called a dragon tree or something like that. And then I also got this basket to go with it. This one, I thought it was really pretty. Excuse the boxes and like cartons around. We need to take a trip to the tip, don't we? To take all the cardboard. So yeah, I really love this plant here. Hopefully I managed to keep it alive. Gentle, Victor, gentle, please.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Mommy.
Yes?
Only press this button.
You want to press this button?
Yes.
Are you taking a picture?
Yes.
Oh wow. Well done.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, is it Mommy's turn now?
No.
Okay.
Press this button.
Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, kind of a home update, kind of how I organize my wardrobe, and also a bit of an IKEA haul. Yeah, I was really excited to show you guys because I'm really excited about all the bits that I got to kind of decorate a bit. So yeah, I'm so excited to decorate a bit more throughout the next few weeks. So stay tuned for those videos if you guys like these. But yeah, don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!